95% of people have a wrong fact when it comes to Medicare that has huge financial and doctor's impacts when it comes to your healthcare. So let's talk about what this wrong information is, and let's get clear on it so that you don't fall for the same bad information and regret your Medicare decision. I'm Emily with the Medicare Coach. We are an independent Medicare consultant helping our clients easily navigate Medicare. We are not the government, we are not the insurance companies, or agents, or brokers, so you will hear me say very different things on this video, like this question, right? Because the insurance companies don't want you to know about this. So Kathy was on my workshop and she goes, Emily, you reiterated that you must make the right Medicare decision when you first join Medicare, but this is contrary to what I have read. I have heard that you can change your Medicare Advantage and all other plans or go to Original Medicare in the future, no matter your health conditions. What are you talking about? It's a good question, Kathy. So a lot of people don't realize that certain Medicare plans do have pre-existing condition rules. So we hear a lot about the Obamacare or the Marketplace plan that doesn't have pre-existing rules. They've gotten rid of that. Or we think about our employer plan where we can change every year no matter what our health history is. But not all Medicare plans are like that. Insurance companies don't tell you that, right? Which, again, is a huge disservice to you and has huge implications on you for the rest of your life when it comes to your healthcare. So you've seen other videos of mine where I talk about the different parts of Medicare. If you haven't seen those, click the link below. There are extra resources for you to quickly and easily make your right decision. But the key is that there's three kind of extra plans to add on in addition to Medicare Part A and B. Those plans are Medicare Part C, also called Medicare Advantage, Medicare Part D, which is your drug coverage, and the third is called Medicare Supplement, also called Medigap. So Kathy, you are correct in that from October 15th through December 7th, everyone can change their Medicare Part C, also called Medicare Advantage, or your Medicare Part D drug plan, no matter what your health conditions are. But you are not guaranteed in most states to change or join a new Medicare supplement plan. So why does this matter? This matters because when people tend to have health issues, they almost always want to have a Medicare supplement plan, which goes alongside Original Medicare, not Medicare Advantage, because Medicare supplement plans tend to cover your medical costs best for you when they're high, and they also tend to provide you the most doctors, and they tend to pay the most bills. And so people, when they have health issues in the future, or when they start to get more worried about their health, they tend to want to go back to these Medicare supplement plans. But my point in the workshop and to Kathy is this: you're not guaranteed to get one of those plans in the future, right? When you first join Medicare in most states, you have a 6-month window where you're guaranteed to be approved for a Medicare supplement plan, no matter what your pre-existing conditions are. However, once that 6-month window expires in most states, you are not allowed to join one of those new plans. So I got an email from a woman a couple years ago whose dad was sick with cancer, okay? And he was in Medicare Advantage in this case, and he wanted to go back to Original Medicare with a supplement because the doctor that they wanted to go to did not take his Advantage plan or any Advantage plan. So while I was trying to help the daughter out, I had to tell her that unfortunately, because he now has this cancer diagnosis, he can't go back to the plan that he wants, right? This Medicare supplement plan has the right to now ask him for his pre-existing health conditions, and they're not required to take him. So please do not assume that the pre-existing condition waiver throughout the rest of the market applies to all parts of Medicare. That is not the case. And if you miss this fact, you and your family can have huge issues in the future when you do have health issues. So please be thoughtful, make your right Medicare decision. I do host a free online workshop that will help you through Medicare. So join me, it'll be in the link below. And I look forward to helping you again easily navigate Medicare to protect your healthcare rights and your retirement savings like I did for my dad and so many others. All right, I'll see you on the inside of the Medicare Coach.